Good morning, students. As you can see over here, last time I was explaining you division of large numbers, and before that I had already explained this warm-up exercise, and even I had explained you this first example, how it has been done. Actually, here this is the long division method where at first 1000 digit is there, so with 1000 digit it has been assumed. Since 1000 digit is smaller than 3, so here it can't be divided by 5, so here it has been kept 0, and 100 digit is also used, you can see over here. Now 100 digit it becomes 3100, so in 100 digit it has been kept 6, so 6 5 are 30, 100 it becomes, so 3000 it has been written, as you can see over here. So this is the long method, okay. A standard division method also it is called. This is a standard division method called expanded long division method also, this division is called, okay. In same way, after that when you will see after subtraction there comes 100 digit already happens, so now we will apply on tens digit. You can see now 100 digit is smaller than 5, so on tens digit it has been applied, okay. And if you will see, it has been written multiplied with 3, okay. 3 tens means 30, so 5 3 30 into 5 it has been done 150, and it comes now 36. So now ones digit, because tens digit is smaller than 5, so ones digit along with tens digit we will be divide, that is you can see over here 7 ones, 5 times it become 35, so it has been done, and 1 now this is the smaller than 5, so it is remainder. You have to always keep in the mind that remainder should be always less than the divisor. So here it has been written, thus 3816 when divided by 5 gives 637 and remainder 1, okay. Now if you will see in next page, okay, over here it is alternatively that is traditional long division method, what we used to do traditionally. Let's see over there. So here it has been said, in our traditional division method we look at the dividend and focus on the number of digits same as the number of digits in the divisor. Simply we look at the divisor and then after this dividend, and we focus at first single digit, so single digit we will focus. 3 is a smaller, so I had kept 0, or you can say it has been kept 0 and 3 comes down. Now this 1000 digit already divided, so 100 digit will come down, second partial dividend. Now it becomes 31, so 6 5 is 31, sorry 6 5 is 30, so 6 with 6 it has been divided. You can see here it has been written, we look at the dividend and focus on the number of the digits same as the number of digits in the divisor, hence focus on 3, it becomes the leading partial dividend, that is the first one becomes leading partial dividend, okay. Then after again you can see in here it has been inserted second partial dividend. So let's see, determine the maximum number of times the partial dividend can be divided by the divisor 5, okay. So if 1 also it becomes bigger, so with 0 it should be divided. You can see determine the maximum number of times the partial dividend can be divided by the divisor 5. Clearly it is 0, okay. Write it over the partial dividend and the product becomes 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Below the partial dividend 3, you can see here it has been written, and subtract 0 from 3, it becomes 3 only, okay. Now the remainder after subtraction is 3. Now another number will come, bring the next digit, that is 1 down, write it beside the remainder 3 to get the new second partial dividend, okay. So now it becomes 31. Now 31 can be divided by with 6, you can see, so here 6 it has been written. Now think of the maximum number of the times the second partial dividend can be divided by the divisor, of course with 6 times, because 7 times it will become more. So with 6 it has been done. Write the next 6 of 0 as on and subtract 5 into 6 30. You can see 6 here it has been written by the side of 0, and it has been multiplied 6 5 is 30, so it has been subtracted, it comes 1. Now in same way what will happen, bring the next digit 8 down, okay. It has been instructed over here, while making nothing you have to do, simply the last step and last division should be shown. This is the step how you have to make it, okay. Write it beside what another it will come, then it will become 18. Okay, and you can see 5 3 are 15, with 3 times it will go, so 15 is subtracted, it comes 3. Same thing it has been written over here. Now at last 6 will come, and with 7 times it will go, 7 5 is 35, so 1 will left, and now after that there is no other dividend remaining, so this becomes the smaller than 5, so this is remainder, and 0367, or you can say 367 is quotient. Okay, I hope all of you had understood this. If you will see iconic information here, then one iconic information is there. At each step when another digit is required for division, it is called bringing down. When we bring in every step one digit from top to bottom, okay, like you can see 3 comes over here, 1, so that is called bringing down. 1 has been bringing down, 1 is bring down. Okay, so now if you will see over here, comparing all the steps, can we do long division as, okay, as long division? Of course it can be done. Both the methods shown above are same, they are only different in appearance. Okay, they are same. Here we used to write 4 0, but here only single 0, because 0 means either 4 also, then its value is 0 only, and if single 0 is also there, then its value is 0 itself. So both are nearly same, except that 0 0 kept 1. Okay, but the method shown, okay, this I had said. Now you can see short division method. For short division method, students, your calculation should be fast, because here we write less, only this much. These all things are explanation, but actually division is only this much. How it has been done, okay, I will be explaining you that also. So here it has been said at first, in this method fluency in mental calculation, that means multiplication, addition and subtraction is required. You have to be fluent in these all things. So if you will see here, with 5 5 6 are 30 I had written, okay, and I had not written, actually I had written in the brain. So 30, okay, 31 minus 30, it will become how much? 1. So 1 will be carried over to the next digit, that is 8. Now it becomes 18, so 5 3 is how much? 15. So how much remains? 18 minus 15, that is 3. So 3 came over here, and 3 and 6, it becomes 36. So 5 7 is 35, and now 1 is remainder, which will be the quotient and remainder. Okay, this is the quotient, like 637 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So students, if you will see, here is division when there are zeros in the dividend. Okay, so division when there are zeros in the dividend. Zeros in the dividend be treated as digits only. Okay, bring down the 0 in the division steps as we bring down the other digits, because when the 0 comes down, there also it increases the value 10 times. If simply 2 is there and 0 added, then it becomes 2020. We will see here short division method uses carryovers. If you will see over here, okay, same thing has been explained, that 5 6 is 30. 1 has been carried, because after subtracting 1 comes from 31, when 30 goes 1 comes, so 1 has been carried over to the next one. What remainder? That is carried over to next one. So 1 8 18, 5 3 is 15. Again 3 is remainder, 3 is carried over to the next one. 3 6 36, 5 7 is 35, 1 is remainder. So at last there is no number, so it has been written remainder 1 only. So for short division method, as I had said, calculation is required. Okay, you should be strong in addition, subtraction, multiplication. So as you can see here, it has been done to 29,050. When divided by 4, it becomes 7 for the 28, 1. Okay, and 0 comes down, so 7 1 is 7, 3, and 5 comes down, so 7 5 is 35. Okay, again 0 comes down. Okay, and then after 0 when subtracted from 7 0 0 it has been. Why? Because the last digit came down, there was digit, so for removing that digit 0 is used. Okay, if only 0 is at last, 0 should be kept over there and that should be removed. In short division method also you can see here at first 7 for the 28, so 4 kept, 1 is carried over, 7 1 is 7, 3 comes. Okay, then 3 is carried over, 7 5 is 35, now nothing comes, 0 will come, so removing 0, 0 is kept and remainder becomes 0. Here if you will see teacher support to find how many times the divisor goes into partial dividend, the only way is to guess the maximum required product or the product closest to the equal to the partial dividend. Good practice of times tables is required for it. Now practice of timetable, it has been said, that means practice of table, 2 1 za, 3 1 za, 4 1 za, 5 1 za, up to 21 za, it is required. Okay, to know that how many times it will go, that is 29 is there, then we should know that yes, 7 for the 28, like that it has been said. So if you will see, it has been said the step can be avoided because 0 cannot be divided by 7, so put 0 in one's place in the quotient. If there is only 0, so by keeping the 0 in the quotient, we can leave this step. This is last step, 0 minus 0 1. Okay, now you can see checking division, how to check our division, that it has been explained over here. If you will see, here it has been said sometimes we need to know if our division is correct or not. We already know that the formula divisor is equal to, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. This is the formula for checking. When we multiply divisor and quotient, and then after when we add remainder to it, if it comes equal to dividend, that means our divisor is our dividing is right. Okay, if it doesn't, it comes equal to dividend, then our divisor, the divide is wrong. In case of above example is used to check the division. In case of above example, where we have divided, okay, this you can see, okay, above here it is this, when we divided 29,050 with 4, we got 4,150, so quotient is 4,150. so you can see over here divisor into quotient with 7 divided, so 7, and quotient is 4,150, and remainder it was 0, so plus 0 it has been written. Now if you will see the multiplication, you can see 7 0 is 0 and 7 5 is 35, carry 3, 7 1 is 7 and 3 10, 0, carry 1, 7 4 is 28 and 1 29, so it becomes 29,050, that is the dividend. Okay, thus our division becomes 29,050, or you can say 29,000 divided by 7 gives 4,150 is correct. Okay, in same way, if you will see example 3, divide 75,925 by 8. Okay, check your answer. So after dividing, you have to check answer also. So you can see over here a division is done. At first 7 is smaller, so 7 5 75, 9 8 is 72, so it becomes 8 9 is 72, so 72 kept, and 3 comes down. When from 75 72 is subtracted, there comes 3, so 3 and then 9 comes down, so it becomes 39. Again 8 table we will read, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32. So with 4 it is smaller. If I will take 8 5 is 40, that it will become bigger than the 39. So we will apply our 8 4, and 8 4 is 32 we will be writing. So now from when 39 32 is subtracted, here comes 7 and 2 comes down. Okay, so again 8 9 is 72, you can see. Now 5 comes down, and since it is not divisible, what we will be keeping, we will be keeping over here 0. If anything comes down and it does not get divided, by keeping 0 we can leave it at remainder, as remainder. When anything comes down, that should be divided, so 0 will be kept. That you have to understand. You can see over here leading partial dividend 7 is smaller than 8, so we put 0 in the quotient. You can see over here. Then another number is also taken, you can see, and group the first 2 digit, that is 75. Okay, and to form the leading partial dividend. Remainder in the division process should always be less than the divisor. You have to, already I had said earlier also, in the previous page also it was written that remainder should be less than divisor. If a remainder is more than the divisor, then check division because it is incorrect in such a case. If remainder comes more than divisor, then that means our division is incorrect, that is wrong. Okay, thus we can see here it has been written 75,925 when divided by 8, it gives 9,490 and remainder 5. Now for checking what it has been done, divisor, okay, quotient into divisor it has been done. Quotient, if you will see, 9,490 is there and divisor it is 8. So 9,490 into 8 it has been done and remainder is 5. And now you can see multiplication, 8 0 is 0, okay, and then after 9 8 is 72, 2 is there, carry 7, 8 4 is 32 and 7 39, carry 3 is there, 8 9 is 72 and 3 75. So 75,920 plus 5, that becomes 75,925, which is same as the dividend. Okay, this is same as the dividend, thus our division is correct. Now if you will see exercise 4a, okay, here it is, divide each of the following by the method of A, expanded long division, okay, second traditional long division, and third short division. In all three types of division it has been said to solve. Okay, and of course you can see I had made it, I had sent my solution also attached with this PDF. So if you will see at last, there is my solution page where I had made. Okay, as you know, in every PDF I am sending at least 2-page solution, so you can see over here it is 2-page. Okay, here simply I had divided. Okay, you can see first one is traditional long method, long division method. So 7 3 are 21, 4 came and 6 comes down. Okay, and then after again 7 6 are 42. In fact you can write 0 0 also over here, 21,000. Then after 4600, okay, you can see 7 6 are 42 and say again 4 come down and 7 comes down, because after 6 7 comes down. So again it becomes 7 6 are 42, and while subtracting 5 comes and 8 comes down, so 58 it becomes, and 8 7 are 56, so 2 is remainder. This is what, okay, it is a 4f. Sorry students, by mistake it has been gone. First page it has been gone at last, and last page come at first. So first one you can see over here, I had written, yes, you can see this is a 1000th digit. So 1000th digit, for keeping that I had kept 1 over here, 2 1 2 is there. Okay, so 2000 it becomes. Now again 1 comes down, one's digit is smaller than divisor, so we will be keeping 0 and we will be using the next 10th digit, that becomes 5, and 1 5 15. Okay, and we are using now 10th digit also, so what we will be dividing, that will come in 10th digit, that means 2 7 are 14, so 14 came. Okay, and 0, of course this 7 does not mean 7 only, this 7 is at 10th place, that means it is 70, so 2 into 70 is 140. Now while subtracting it becomes 1 and 2 12 and 2 6 is 12. In this way, this is the one number, that is long division method. Okay, okay, after that if you will see, this is the standard form. Okay, and here if you can see I had written region also, 100 digit is 1 less than the divisor. Okay, 1 only it is 1 less than the 1 is less than the divisor, so 100 digit of the question becomes 0. If 100 digit is less than the divisor, then that becomes 0. Of course, if in case of 1000 digit, if it anything is left, then in that case it will not become 0. Okay, so if you will see the second, that is the traditional long division method, you can see 2 1 are 2. Okay, then 1 come down, and then after again with 0 it will go, because it is smaller than the divisor, so 0 I had kept and 1 come down, and then after 5, so 2 7 are 14, and when 14 subtracted from 15 it get 1, and then after 2 12, 2 6 are 12. Okay, So what happens? 1076 becomes the question. You can see in the both the cases the answer is same. Either we are doing by a standard division method or long division method or short division method. In all, answer should come same. This third one is short division method. You can see 2 and the 2, it is 1000 plus, so thousands. Okay, then after 1 is smaller, so 0 kept, and here what happens, this one is transferred to the tens ones, then it becomes 15. Okay, so 10 now divided, 2 7 is 14, it is written in 10th place. 1 it is again left, and it comes here, over here 1 and 2 12, so 2 6 is 12. Mean this three way I had done. You can watch over here, and in B number also I had made. Okay, two questions I had made, A and B I had made. Sorry, first and last should be made, but I had made B only, no problem. You can understand. Okay, first and last or first and second means the same thing. Okay, I hope you will be able to make. I had written B number. Let me see either it is B only or last number. Even you can see in your book. Okay, the question, because I am now watching, explaining you by watching the text. Sorry, so I'll move towards the text only. Here PDF only. Okay, so here it has been in B number 5764 and in D number 4562. So let's see either that is 4562 or 5674. You can see 4562 it is, then by mistake it is D number and written as a B number, if you will see. So yes, 4562 it is, so this is D number, by mistake it has been written as B number. Okay, no problem, all the questions are same only, so you can understand it. This also. Okay, 1000 place it is smaller, so 0 kept. Now in 100 place 1000 and this comes 4500 it becomes, so with 100 plus 5, that means 9 into 500 becomes 4500. So now 6 comes down and 2 comes down. Now again what happens, 10th digit 6 is smaller. Okay, so 0 is kept, and now we will be applying to unit digit. So 9 6 is 54. You can see 6 is kept at the unit digit and 8 is remainder. This is the long division method. Here also I written, since 1000 digit is 4, digit 4 is less than the divisor, that is means 9 is divisor and 4 is less, so 1000 digit of the quotient is 0. Okay, in same way if you will see question number this second, that is the long division method, you can see with 0. Okay, 4 comes down and 5, 9 5 is 45. Again it's subtracted. Now 6 comes down and it is not divisible, so again keeping 0, and now 2 will come down. Simply you can write 2 by keeping 0. You can write 2 over here also, and you can apply it. 9 6 is 54. 8 is the remainder. Okay, this is the long division method. Now here it is a short method. If you will see over here, okay, 9 5 is 45. Nothing is carried over. 6 here it is at tens place. Tens place it is smaller, so 0 it is kept. Now 6 and 2 it becomes 62, so 9 6 is 54. 8 is remainder. Okay, so this is all how to make it. Now if you will see, there I had written question number 2. So what is their question number 2? You can see over here. Okay, you can see over here question number 2. Here it has been said, find the quotient in each of the following. Simply you have to divide. So 2a and 2i number I might have made. You can see over here 2a, and as I am making first and last question, so if you will see, okay, it is at the last place page only. Yes, 2a and this is 2i number. Okay, so if you will see 2a, it has been written. Okay, 5 to the 10. Simply you can divide. There is no any procedure, it has been said by this method or that method. So by any method you can divide it. I am using this long division method generally, which we use. 5 to the 10. Now 7 comes down. Again 5 1 is 5. 2 after subtracting 2 will be there, and again once digit will come down. So 2 and 5 25 it will become. So 5 5 to 25. Okay. So it can be written that 1075 divided by 5 is equal to 215. In same way, if you will see over here I number, it becomes how much? 6. Okay, and this is 51,246. Okay, Now with 8 it has been divided. 8 6 are 48, 3 and 2 is there, so 6 5 are 30 and 2 comes down. 2 and 4 24, again 6 4 is 24. It has been now 6 1 more 6 was left, so 6 comes and 6 1 is 6. So after dividing you can see I written, so 51,246 divided by 6 becomes 8,541. Hope all of you are understanding. If there will be anything which you will not be understanding, then you will be asking me. Okay, if you will see 9 number is also a simple division. You should understand, when any number is divided by the same number, then the quotient is always 1, or if any number is divided by 1 only, then the quotient will be the number itself, the dividend itself will be there. If any number divided by 1, of course the quotient will be equal to dividend, and if divisor and dividend are equal, then quotient will be equal to 1. That you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, now if you will see, there is question number 4. Okay, let's see what is there in question number 4. Okay, here we are in question number 4. If you will see, divide and check your answer. What you have to do, you have to divide it, and even it has been said to check the answer. So as the division we know, for checking there we have to use the formula, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So same thing we will be doing here also. Okay, we will be dividing. You can see here question number 4 it has been done, and even at down it has been checked also. At first we had divided, that is 6 3 are 18, 3 and 4 34, 6 5 are 30, 4 and 9 49, and 6 8 are 48, and 1 is the remainder. Now for checking, what we should do, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So quotient should be multiplied with divisor. Quotient is 358, divisor is 6, so 358 into 6, and remainder is 1. Let's see either it comes dividend or not. So 8 6 are 48, 48, 8 is there, carry 4, 8 and 6 5 are 30, and 4 34, so again carry 3, and 6 3 are 18, and 3 21, so it becomes 2148 plus 1, and it becomes 2000. When added, then it will become 2149, which is the dividend. Hence our division is right. This is the way how to make and then after check. Okay, and if you will see here, okay, let's see the fourth last number question also I think I had made. Okay, let's see the question at first. Fourth last number question is 25,678 divided by 7. Let's see either I had divided it or not. 4 last number is there or not. 25,468 it was. Okay, so let's see. This is the question. Okay, yes, it is 25,678 divided by 7. You can see 7 3 is 21. Now after subtracting comes 4, and 4 and 6 is 46, 7 6 are 42, 4 after subtracting 4 will come, 4 and 7 47, again 7 6 are 42, now 5 will come down, 7 8 are 56, now 2 is there. Okay, so checking is what, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so that is 3668 into 7, that is the divisor. Okay, 3668 is quotient and 7 is divisor. So these two are multiplied and remainder is added, that is plus 2. Now while multiplying, let's see what will happen. 8 7 are 56, okay, carry 5. 7 6 are 42 and 5, 47, carry 4. 7 6 are 42 and 4, 46, carry 4. 7 3 are 21 and 4, 25. Okay, so this becomes 25,676 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 it will become 8, and then after 7 6 5 5 and 2 it will come, that means it will become 25,678, which is equal to the dividend. So we can say that hence our division is right. That means the division which we had done, that is right. Now after that there are lot many things you can see over here, text which I will be explaining you during online class. Okay, I had thought that I will be able to complete everything of even 4C also, but no, there many thing has been left. Okay, so students, till then you read these all. Okay, You can see 4B and the examples and even other things, practice question is also there, that I will be explaining you during the online class. You can see division by 2-digit divisor. When there is 2-digit divisor, how to divide it, that I will be explaining you later on during online classes. Okay, and online classes, this what's saying, user ID and password, when it is sent, at the same time you write user ID, password and date in your diary. That means on this date, on this day, there is this subject class, so that you can remember and you cannot miss the class. Okay, till then, thank you very much for watching this video and understanding this. If there will be doubt, again you can watch this video. Thank you everyone.